Greetings everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to make a lovely juice, good for your skin, good for detox, keep you energizing. But if you're watching this channel for the first time, thank you for watching, thank you for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification so you'll be notified when I upload new video. So let's get into it. Carrot here, a lot of people don't know the health benefit of carrot. Carrot helped to improve your eyesight. It's good for your eye. It's good for your skin. Good and also enhance for your liver. It's good for your liver. Also, it's good for hair loss. It's good for weight loss also, and also maintain normal blood pressure. Also reduce the risk of cancer, and also can help fight inflammation. It's also good for arthritis, ulcer, and aid digestive system. Also boosts your immunity and overall well-being. Well, let us go to the orange and I'll take you through the process. With the orange, you have about 5 different types of orange, but I don't want to get into that today. Orange have about 60% of calcium, also 3 grams of fiber, which your body need, and also 1 gram of protein, contain vitamin A, to have about 70 milligrams of vitamin C, which is your daily recommend intake. Potassium, to have about 270 milligrams of potassium and 15.4 grams of carbohydrate. So it's very healthy, especially when you combine all these ingredients together. So with the apple can help lower bad cholesterols. It's also good for Alzheimer's and can reduce the risk of cancer, and it's an excellent detox for your liver also, and also help you to keep hydrated, and it's also good for diabetes and help to boost your immune system. So with the ginger, ginger is good to improve your immunity. Also, it's good for nausea, good for pain, and it's good for anti-cancer, especially if you take it long term. It's good for your skin also, and it's good for weight loss. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to combine all of them to make a lovely healthy juice. So stay tuned. So with the ginger, you can just wash it and let it dry. I'm going to try remove as much of the skin. You can use a peeler, whatever you choose to use. You can just use a peeler. So this is the amount of ginger I'm using, but depends on how strong you want it with the ginger flavor. But this is enough for me. I just need to make a jug. So that jug probably serve me for about 3 days or so. Have the carrot ready. Apple, you can wash them and just take the skin off. So the apple you can just take the skin off. Let me just switch knife. Use a bigger and better one. More faster. So you can leave the skin on, but I don't want the skin on, so also you can use the blender you choose. So this is a NutriBullet. So you just chop these up. probably add another carrot in it. This carrot is healthy, good for your skin. Also, I'm gonna use half a lemon. This, you can just cut this bit off. This already washed. Just put everything in it because the zest, the skin, very healthy. A lot of nutrients, roughage in the skin. So drop it all in. You can blend this in 2 parts if you want. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend this, then strain some of it off. Then I'm gonna add some celery to it. So that should be all right. I'm going to take some off and then I'm going to add some celery in. So you just get some celery, wash him off, just break it up, drop it in, add some more water. That should be ready now. So I'm going to strain it off. So I'm going to use my chinois. Strain it off. Okay, so I'll just pour it out in this jug. So the lovely juice is ready. It's pouring in my drinking glass. Look at that. Look at that. Cheers to you all. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Very nice. Ladies and gentlemen, please remember to try this drink. It's very beautiful, tasty, refreshing, energizing. Peace be unto you all. Thank you all for watching.